Welcome students, this is the third part of chapter number 6, Introduction to C++. Local and global variable. Variable which are declared in any function are known as local variable. Life of this type of variables start with function and end with it. It means we can use them only in that function where they are declared. Variable which are declared in out of functions are known as global variable. Life of this type of variable starts with program and end with it. It means we can use them in all functions or out of function in whole program. User can assign same name for local and global variables. Scope resolution operator is used to do making difference between local and global variable. Operator will be prefixed to global variable. Example are given below. Comments. It is an optional part of the program which is used to give any information or remark about any object or program. Comments will not change in machine language by compiler at runtime of program, so they can be written in any case or format. There are following two types of comments in C++. First, single line comment. Second, multi-line comment. Single line comment is used to define single line in comment form. Symbol, syntax and examples are given below. Multi-line comment is used to define more than one line in comment form. Symbol, syntax are given below. Manipulators. Manipulators are used to define the presentation of execution window. Set W and L works as manipulator. Set W stands for set width and it is used to leave blank space between two values or characters. And L stands for end line. It is used to end the line. iomanip.h header file have to include the set W and end L. iomanip stands for input output manipulation. Output of manipulators are given below. Data type. Any information which is provided by user is called data, and a different type of data is called as data type. In other words, types of data with the C and C++ except as input and process is called data types. In technical language, and any fact and observation which are meaningless for user and works as input is called data type. Data types classified in following categories which is given below. We can also use modifiers with basic data type before its name. These modifiers can be used only with the int and char. These modifiers are signed, unsigned, short. Long modifier can be used with double data type. Table of data type and their memory and ranges is given below. So this was the third part of chapter number 6, Introduction to C++. We will continue this chapter in the next part. Okay.